Have you ever thought how much money MrBeast must be making so he can get so much so easily? And he gets hundreds of millions views per month. Let's calculate how much he makes. So he gets 217 million views per month and his average RPM rate will be between $8 to $10. So that makes... Actually, before answering that question, let's answer a more realistic question that you might have. How much money will you make if you start a YouTube channel and get like 10,000 views per month or 100,000 views per month? You might want a specific answer here, but unfortunately there is not. You could make $50 for 10,000 views, but you could also make $250 per 1,000 views. Same views, more money. Now, how does that work? Why YouTube does that? Actually, it's not about YouTube. I'm gonna explain it to you in a simple way. If you go to your YouTube analytics from YouTube Studio, you will see two metrics here, CPM and RPM, if you started monetizing your videos. This RPM rate indicates how much money you will make per 1,000 views. If here it says $6, you will make around $6 per 1,000 views. But what changes that? Why some people have higher RPM rates and some lower? There are two factors. One, your audience's country. If your viewers are from countries like USA, Canada, United Kingdom, when they enter your videos, they will see ads in English and you will make more money per view. But instead, if you get views from countries like Bangladesh, Bahrain, China, you will have a lower RPM rate because the viewers will see ads that pay you less money. The advertiser on those countries doesn't pay as much as the advertisers pay on countries like United States, Canada, or United Kingdom, like on those countries where people speak English. And the second factor is your content. Let's say that we have two channels. One channel that makes videos about cooking and one channel that makes videos about finance. They're not gonna earn the same money. On cooking videos, when someone enters the video, they will see ads depending on the content. So, ads about cooking. And when they enter videos about finance, they will see ads about finance. And ads on the finance category, I mean the ads that are related about money, pay you more money. So if you get views from countries like United States, Canada, Germany, United Kingdom, and have a channel that is about money, you will make the most money from YouTube. And these are the highest paying categories on YouTube that you can start and have the highest RPM rates. Basically, if it has to do something with money, it's gonna earn you money. Now, let's get back to the first question. How much does MrBeast makes? 271 million views multiplied by 8, so he makes around $2.1 million per month from YouTube ad revenue, by the way. The sponsorship incomes are not calculated. If we try to calculate that, we can't calculate that, but if we were to calculate that, he will be making way more money than that. $2.1 million would be nothing. What other famous YouTubers do we have today? Stephan. Yes, I know. There couldn't be a video about money without Stephan, obviously. So he gets 20 million views per month, so 20 million multiplied by 20, because his RPM rate would be around $20, and that is why, come on, you know the answer, come on. Yes, because he makes videos about money and real estate, so his RPM rate is pretty high, and that makes $400,000 per month just from YouTube ad revenue. And if he were to get the same amount of views as MrBeast did, that would make $5.4 million. But obviously, it is quite hard to get 200 million views on a finance channel, but still, it would be nice. What about Dream? He uploads very rarely, like 1 month ago, 5 months ago, 7 months ago, 9 months ago, 11 months ago. So he doesn't upload that much, but he gets a lot of views per video, like 20 million views per average. So we assume his RPM rate will be around $7, and 20 million views multiplied by 7, that makes $140,000 per video just from YouTube ad revenue. Of course, the ad revenue is not the only source of income for YouTubers. They do affiliate marketing, they get sponsors, they sell products, merch, and so many other things. They might be making way more money than we can actually calculate, but of course they also need to pay taxes, they need to spend to make those kind of videos, so we can't actually calculate how much money they have left for themselves at the end. But being a YouTuber, doing YouTube as a full-time job is amazing. Only the thought of it. You can travel the world and still make money, sleep and still make money, poop and still... Okay, you got what I mean. So I hope this video helps you deciding whether you're gonna start YouTube or not, whether you can do YouTube full-time or not. Of course, it's gonna take time, but I believe it's worth it. But as you may know, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time so you can monetize your videos. So, can we reach this threshold in just 7 days? That's exactly what I tested in this video here. I made a secret YouTube channel from scratch and tried to grow it in just 7 days. So, I guess I'll see you again in that video. Bye-bye.